How are you all children?
Fine, ma'am.
Right.
We're fine, ma'am.
Yes, children, even many days I didn't see something missing for me. I don't know what is the class. This class is so so yeah. Many days due to holidays, 1 or 2 days, 1 week I didn't. Yeah, Raghav, please tell the question. Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. The mean of 5 numbers is 20.
Mean equal to 20, right?
If one number is excluded, mean of the remaining numbers becomes 23.
Excluded means removed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What mean is?
Mean is 23.
Okay, 23. Okay.
Then the excluded number we have to find out.
Yeah. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just the students are waiting in the room. Now you see 5 numbers it is given. Raghav, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Raghav.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Five.
Do you hear me?
So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divide with 5 equal to 20. Right, Raghav?
Yes, ma'am.
So in second one number is excluded. Included means added. Excluded means removed. So x3
Removed.
plus
Yes.
x4 by 4 equal to 23. Now just to do the cross multiplication. 25s are how much, children? 25s are
100.
100.
23 fours are
Ma'am, 23.
4s are.
Ma'am, 92.
92.
Yes, correct. 92. Now the difference between this one is
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 8. 8.
yes.
100 minus 92. 8.
That's all. That is only the answer. 100 minus 100 minus 90.
92 is
Nothing
equals to
but 8. What is excluded number here, children? Yes,
Ma'am, 8.
8. That's all, Raghu.
Oh, such a simple sum, ma'am.
Very simple, Raghu. Because this varieties of question we have in grade 8 actually. Maybe anyway they gave, don't worry about the part. We will see. Children, can we go with the ratios and proportions? Yes, new chapter.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes. No. Is it breaking, children?
Yes,
My
ma'am.
voice? Okay, 1
No,
minute.
ma'am,
children,
your
I'll
voice
check.
is not breaking, but there's some disturbance in your line.
Okay. 1 minute. Children. I'll just reconnect my network. Children. Ratios and proportion. Ratio. What is the meaning of ratio? Why we need to learn this chapter? Yes. Do you heard the word ratio in your grade 6 too?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the ratio, children? Is it a comparison? Yes,
Ma'am, proportion is the comparison between the ratios.
very good. But ratio is a comparison? Yes. Is it comparison, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, the comparison of two quantities, children, of same kind, we can call it as ratio. Very important point, children. Ratio is nothing but comparing two quantities of same kind. Comparing two quantities of same kind is nothing but a ratio. In our daily life, we often need to know compare two quantities. For example, comparing our heights and weights. with our friends. Yes or no, children? I saw many students today, they came to school and they're telling, ma'am, my height is 154. I want to compare with my friend is like that. Many students, many situations. 1 minute, children. Students are joining. Comparing two quantities of same kind is nothing but ratios. Generally, even we are using comparing heights, comparing weights. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt. Ma'am, why you started this much late, ma'am, class?
Today, other classes are happening, children. That is also started little delay because other meeting is going on, our staff meeting is going on. This academic year, few teachers are appointed as observers. I am one of them. So we have some other meeting with the principal today, children. So it class is started delayed for 6. The same thing. It is a little late. So 6:15 for the class too. Right. All right. We will go with still 7:15, children. Don't worry about that. When we comparing two quantities of same kind, suppose height, you take as a height or weight, whatever the thing that you are comparing with your friends, right, children? Not only these things, suppose your, for example, I'm taking the weight of one student is 45 kgs. Another student is, they gave us 1,000, there is 4,000, not 45,650 grams. 45,650 grams. So how I supposed to, is it, can I compare directly here? Ishan, are you there? Ishan, is it, can I compare the things here like that?
No, ma'am.
Is it possible to compare? Is it easy to compare these things to quantities here? Yes or no? Ishan, am I audible to you? Ishan?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, why no, Srishti? Why no?
Ma'am, because units are different, ma'am. We can't do it.
Very good. Here it is kgs, here it is grams. So what I said, children, we need to compare any two quantities of same kind, same units. Same units is very important. So you have to compare the quantities of same kind. That is, or else you can.
Same unit we can compare, ma'am.
Yes, or else you can convert into grams to kgs or kg to grams.
Kgs to grams.
Yes, anything you do, then you have to find the ratio, students. Ratio is nothing but a fractional part. Just suppose, let me take one more example. There is,
Which lesson in NCERT book, ma'am?
yeah, not only NCERT, lively examples we need to suppose to take here. When we compare by finding the difference, comparison is not only doing by children. Suppose my height is something, some other, whatever the thing, one of the ribbon cost is 5 centimeters, or else you can compare with your friends, children. That is more easy for me. Suppose, ma'am, my height is, I am 5 centimeters taller than my friend, ma'am. What is that? How you are comparing like that? How I am 5 centimeters taller than my friend. What you are doing, children, you are measuring. How we can compare the things by doing difference, by finding difference. Suppose my height is so and so, my Asian height is so and so. So if I subtract by those two heights, I can compare easily the heights of the people. Like that we can compare. Or else, suppose how much less, how much more. Suppose I can carry 54 kgs at a time. So Raghav can carry 25 kgs at a time. So by if I want to compare both of us, means how more, how less, like that also we can compare. But when we compare things, not only by doing subtractions, then by doing division also we can compare. By doing division, ratios are nothing but comparing quantities by doing division. Division, very important. Ratio is denoted the symbol, children. Ratio symbol is 2 dots. Ratio can be denoted with the symbol this. Comparing two quantities, comparison by division. Ratio is nothing but comparison by
Ma'am,
division.
from anywhere there is a lot of disturbance.
Yes, please mute your mic, children. So sorry, please mute your mic. Yes.
I think from you only, ma'am. Dog barking sound is.
Because everyone are muted.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll close the doors 1 minute. Comparison by doing division. Comparing same quantities by doing division is called ratio. Very, very important point, children. Comparison can be done in many ways by doing subtraction, by doing something. We have many, but here comparison in ratios we are doing division. Comparison can be done by division. Suppose, let me take one example. Examples we will go, children, so that you will understand more easier. The cost of an apple is rupees 24. The cost of an apple is, examples we will take here. The cost of an apple is rupees 24. Is rupees 24. And the mango is, the cost of mango is rupees 60. Cost of mango is rupees 18. Whatever the thing you can take is 18. We say that how we can compare here, children? How we can compare?
Ma'am,
the things?
24 is to 18.
18.
That is okay,
Well, then-
children. That's okay. How we can compare the apple to mango? By doing division, that's one way. Or else in general terms, how you supposed to give here? The cost of mango is 6 rupees less than the cost of apple.
It's 6 rupees less than apple.
Or else how we supposed to write? Or else how we supposed to write?
And the cost of apples is 6 rupees more than mangoes.
Mango, right? Very good, very good. Like that we can compare. But in ratios, children, by doing division, we are doing. By doing division means 24. I want to come. What is find the ratio of? Find the ratio. This is very important, children. Ratio of apple to whatever the word I'm using here. Apple is first. Apple to mango. Apple to mango. How I supposed to compare here? 24 is to 18. But 24 and 18 will always ratio should be simplified form, children.
It is 4 is to 3.
4 is to 3.
4 is to 3.
Always simply, very good. 4 is to 3.
3.
Yes, 6 fours are 24. 6 threes are 18. 4 by 3 can be written as 4 is
4
to
is to 3.
3. So like that we can write the ratios of the things, children. Ratios of the things we can write. It's basic things, children, we learned in same class, previous class too. Now, how to express ratios in lowest term also we discussed right now. Now we express the ratio into lowest term. Your task is express the given ratio into lowest.
Ma'am, how you got 4 by 3, ma'am?
Yeah, very good
Ma'am,
question.
you
24 by, I just said 24 is to 18. What I said, children, ratio is nothing but comparing by doing division. Comparing by doing division. So 24 by 18 I can write. Yes or no?
Ma'am, you basically divided
A
now.
is to B can be written as A by B, children. A is to B can be written as A by B. So I can simplify here with the 6 table. If you don't know 6 table, you go with 2 table. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 nines.
9.
In
And
3
then 3
threes are
table.
3 fours are 4 by 3. Like that you have to simplify and reduce.
Ma'am, so the ratio will be 4 is to 3.
Now please express the
Ma'am, in the CBSE textbook for practice, we can find out in comparing
Yes.
quantities, right?
yes, Nana, you can go with the
Ma'am, you give us like 4 points.
I'm going with the step by step the concept.
Ma'am,
children.
can you give us a question? We will solve and give you
Yes, express the ratio into lowest form. Express the ratio. Express the ratio in. It's very simple question.
Lowest form.
Lowest term. 32 is to 84.
Ma'am, 32 is.
Ma'am, your voice breaking.
Hello, ma'am.
Voice is breaking a lot.
Your screen also stuck, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and your screen is stuck. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am is teaching in laptop or phone, I think so.
Phone.
Yeah, in phone means ma'am removed the tab, I think so. Not exactly.
Ma'am.
Yes, children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
sorry for inconvenience. Please
Your
stop.
voice is breaking a little.
Ma'am,
Please.
32 is 2.
Yeah, 1 minute, Nana, 1 minute. Let me share. Please stop sorting, children. Please stop doing immediately.
Your voice is breaking a little bit. Ma'am.
1 minute, Nana. There is a network issue happening so that it is
Ma'am, the answer is,
continued. Please.
Ma'am, your voice breaking
ma'am, can I
again.
tell the answer for this?
Your voice is breaking.
Please, all of you mute yourself. Put in the chat box your answers. All of you mute yourself. Put in the chat box. Listen, children, please. 32 is to 24. 32 by 84 we can divide. So if you know tables, direct 4 table, you can take 4 ones are 4. 4 8 times 32. 4 2 times 4. Ones are 8 by 21 is your answer. 8 by 21 will not go in any table. So we can write it as 8 is to 21. 8 is to, please don't unmute your mic, children. There is a lot of disturbance. Even I have a poor network today. Very good. I can see there are many students give answers correct. Wonderful job. Yes. Ahana, are you there, Ahana? Ahana. Please respond, Ahana, if you are there in the class.
Can I give one more question like this?
Yes, I am giving 10 questions. Please quickly solve and put in the chat box today. Next,
My answer
third
is
bit.
correct.
6 is to 14. Very good. The next question, 8 is to 12. Small numbers I'm giving for your understanding.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
5 is to, yes, ma'am. 5 is to 25. Yes,
Ma'am,
Harini.
like, if there is 6 is to 14, so is there a rule like it should go only as 6 by 14 or can it go like 14 by 6?
It's 6 by 14. I first write whatever the quantity given first. The same thing you can use, Harini. But if any question, word problems, if any word problems is given, that time you have to see the condition, which is first it is apples are given or mangoes are given, which ratio is given first, you have to go through. But in this case, obviously you have to go with the first 6 by 14 only. You should not write as a 14 by 6, children. It should be write as a 6 by, you should not write 14 by 6. It is wrong. So you have to express it by 14 and simplify this thing. Simplify.
Okay, ma'am.
Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Right, right. Next, 36 is to 45. Come on, children, please put in the chat box. Children, I'm continuously observing your chart. Please put in the chat box. How many of you are actually sending the chart? I'm checking. Very good. I can see Ahana sending, Nikhil sending. Very good, Nikhil. You are correct. Sahashwita, wonderful. All are correct. And here, who is this R and R activities? I think Ritvik. Ritvik, good job. Raghav. Come on, children, please give the answers. 6 by 14 will go in which table? 2 table. So 2 3s are 2 7s are 3 is to 7. 3 by 7 can be written as 3 is to 7. Same way 8 by 12. 8 by 12 will go in 4 table. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 2 by 3 can be written as 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. Then 5 by 25. 5 by 25 both will go in. Very good. 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5. Wonderful. 27 by 81. No, this will go in 9.
3 is to 9. 3 is to 9.
No, 3 3s are 9.
Ma'am, it's 1 is to 3.
1 minute, Nana. That's why 3 by 9 again. 3 by
Ma'am,
9
1
will go in 3 tables. Yeah, 1 is to 3. Very good. 1 is to 3. Not a 3 by 3 is to 9. Children, 1 is to. Because it's least form, simplest form you're supposed to write always. This will go in 9 table. 9 4s are 9 5s are. So 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. Yes, this is the expression into ratio can be converted into lowest terms. Now, if you want to compare the ratios, what is how to compare the ratios, children?
Ma'am, that's proportion, ma'am. We use is as, ma'am, which means 4 dots.
Very good. Is as. So we can is as. The symbol is as. We have to put two ratios. Two ratios we are comparing so that is as we supposed to use. Just before going that, we need to know one more application part of our ratios so that we can go ahead after this. Children, express the ratio of 2 kgs 100 grams because I'm giving direct questions here. Next, fourth bit, you have to express the ratio of 2 kgs 100 grams, 2 kgs 100 grams to 450 grams. These, in this case, units are not same, children. You have to convert into same units. What you know, children, you know that 2 kg is 2 kg 100 grams can be converted into 2 kg means 2000 grams. 2000 plus 100. So it's nothing but
2100 grams.
Now you have to convert it 2100 grams divide with 450 grams. So grams get cancelled, 0 get cancelled. 210 by 45. 210 by 45 again go with which table, children? 5 table. 9 times 4s are 20, 22. 42 by 9. 9 table again any number you will get.
Yes, ma'am, 3 tables.
Ma'am,
Oh, very good.
Ma'am, the answer
3
will be
tables.
14 is to 3.
And 3 and again 12.
Very good. So 14 is
14.
to 3. You should not write 3 is to 14, children. Whatever numerator should become first, then denominator. So A by B can be written as A is to B, not B is to B.
14 is to.
Right, right. This is the way one, if any units are not same means you need to convert into same units and you have to compare. You have to write the
And
simplest.
how you got
450. 45. No, here 450 is there. So 450 grams, it is given in your question only. So 0, 0, I cut it on the top and bottom, I cut it 0, 0. So 210 divided by 45. 210 divided by 45 will go in 5
5
table.
and 42.
5 table. Then again, we have to reduce into 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 14s are. Tables are very important, children. Tables are backbones to your mathematics subject. If you know tables very well, you can go calculations very speed. If you know also regular practice is very important, children. Regular practice is important. The next one. Ratios never have units, children. Remember that point. We never have ratios or same kind of quantities. It's cancelled. That's why no units for ratios. If you put any ratio unit for ratio, it's wrong. So comparison of ratios. So how to compare the ratios? How to compare the ratios? Okay. Comparison of ratios. Suppose if I'm taking like there is a one ratio, let me consider one ratio like 8:10. So consider the ratio. Consider the ratio 8:10. 8/10 or 8:10. 8/10 or 8:10, anything. Consider the ratio here so that 8:10. So how we supposed to write 8/10, children? Right? 8/10 can be written as 4/5. Right. So how to get the equivalent ratios, children? Equivalent fractions is nothing but equivalent ratios. How to get equivalent ratios? Is it equivalent?
Yes, ma'am. You
yes,
just multiply every number like
Multiply
into
or we
2
can
into
divide
3.
also.
Very good. How you were getting equivalent fractions by multiplying with the same number on both the sides, numerator and
And
denominator.
dividing on the same.
Dividing also. Dividing also. Very good.
Yes.
Now, can you write equivalent ratios here to this cell? Shall I take it as if I'm taking as with the 2 this number? 8
Ah.
2s are 16.
16 by
By
20, ma'am.
very good. 16:20. Yes, it's like a fractions, children. Please remember. It's like a fraction. It's like a fraction.
Ma'am,
So
then with 3 you can do, ma'am.
yes, even you can go with a 3. So 8 3
24 by 30.
24/30. Wonderful. Like that we can.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Although,
And instead of multiplying with 3 or 2, can you like this multiply with 10, 100 and all?
yes, 100, any number, any number, but it should be same number for both numerator and denominator. That's the condition. Not only small numbers, you can 10, hundreds, thousands also. Very simple, you will get equivalent ratios also. That is a small word I suppose to want to add here, so that I'm just giving. Next one, arrange the ratios in ascending order. How to arrange the ratios in ascending order? Children, do you know how to
Ma'am,
arrange?
just like fractions, ma'am.
Comparison, ma'am.
Very
Comparison.
good. Just like fractions. So if I am giving two ratios here. So here this can be written as 6
Ma'am,
by
it
14.
can be written as 6 by 14 and 5 by 25. Now you have to make the denominators equal. And
Or
compare.
else you, very good. Or else you can go with only two.
Ma'am, you can cross multiply.
Very good. 25 6 are how much? 125. 14 5s are how much? 70. So which is greater here? 5 is to
125.
yeah, like that you can compare. Children. This bit definitely in the examinations also 1 or 2 bits. I'm continuously checking. You have to just put which I be arranging in ascending order or descending order, like that it is given. 8 by 12 is 1 and 27 is to 81. I think who will give 8
Excuse
by
me, ma'am.
Raghav?
Ma'am, can I just tell a few points like this regarding to ratio?
Sure. Just a minute, Raghav. We'll complete this. Yeah. Which is greater the ratio, children, here? Yes, can you arrange these ratios in ascending order? Which is smaller, which is greater? Yes, is it equal? Is it equivalent ratios? Is it equivalent ratios or else what is the point you're supposed to hear? Is it equivalent, children? 81 8 times. 8 8s are 680, 648. Here 12 7s are.
Ma'am, it is 648 and 27 times 14 is
Ma'am,
20.
it's not equal, ma'am.
It is not equal.
12 2s are 24, 24, 32.
324, ma'am.
So which is so this ratio is greater, right? Children, like that you need to compare the ratios also. Now the age
Ma'am?
of there is a question, children, please. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually a small trick you can do is, ma'am, when you do 8 into 81, you get 648. While you're
Right.
multiplying 27 into 12, just multiply 7 and 2, ma'am. Check if it's coming
Exactly.
4.
Exactly.
Like the
Right.
last number.
Very
8,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Right, ma'am.
Yes.
Right. That is a simple technique to remember. Very good. Yeah. Now there is a question for you, children. Here, the question is the ages of Tulasi and Darshini are in the ratio of 8:3. What is the ratio? And Darshini is given here. His ratio is given as 8:3. 8:3. 6 years hence, their ages will be their 6 years after 6 years. After 6 years, what happens? Their ages in the ratio are
8:3 plus 6.
now their ages become 9:4. Find their present ages. Very, very beautiful question. Actually, it's very important question also, children. Suppose their ages, present ages is 8:3. The ratio of present ages is 8:3. After 6 years, their ages will be 9:4. The ratio of their ages is 9:4. You need to find their present ages. What we should do here?
And can you just repeat the question because I'm writing it?
Children, the ages of two students are in the ratio 8:3.
Yes, ma'am.
6 years hence, their ages will be 6 years hence, their ages will be
Yes, ma'am.
9:4.
Yes, ma'am.
Find their present age.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Find their present age. Yeah. So what we have to do, children? Very, very simple trick, children here. So first their present age is 8x. You have to think after 6 years means 8x plus 6 and 3x plus 6.
is equals to 6,
Very 9/4. The ratio is 9/4. Right? Very good. 9/4. Come on, children. Please continue this. Please simplify. You know simple equations. How to solve this simple equation by multiplying 4 into 8x plus 6 equal to 9 into 3x plus 6. Come on, please simplify. Distributive property you can distribute. 8 fours are how much, children? 8 fours are?
And 32.
32.
So 32x equal to 32 plus 4 6 are 24.
24.
Yeah, 9 3s are
and 9 3s it will be 27.
9
X
6 are
27x and 9
54.
6 it will be 56. So 54. So it will be plus 54.
Now you have to transpose techniques, children. Please send this number to other side. 32 minus 27. I'm writing on the top. Yeah, 32 to 27. If you remove, how much you are getting? 5x.
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 So if you send this number,
5x is equals to 24.
not 24, 54 minus 24. 54 here, right side you have
24.
54.
55 minus 24.
So 54
5x
minus
is equals to 30 and x is equals to
X is equals to 30 by
So
5
it
is
will be
equals to
x
6.
is equals to 6. X is equals to 6.
So if x equal to 6 means 8 into 6, 3 into 6, present ages.
So it will be, ma'am, 8 into 6 will be
48.
48 and it
3
will
into 6 will be
18. So it will be 48 is to 18.
This is the present ages of their ages. Children, like that present age or whatever the age they're asking, you're supposed to write the same.
keep in simplest form.
No, no need. This is ratio. Ages you are finding. Don't simplify because ratio you already given. Ratio is only given for us. We are finding the age. Don't simplify.
Ma'am, if we do also, it's okay.
Don't do, children. Don't do their age. You're supposed to find. Don't simplify. If you simplify, you will get again the same ratio, whatever the ratio.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, my another question to you, children. So here, this is an important questions today. What I'm teaching or from previous question, it's not basic questions, children. It's very important questions. Fifth question: A is to B. A is to B is 3:4. A is to B is 3:4. B is to C is 16:15. You need to find, sorry, B is to C is 16. You need to find A is to C. A is to C, you need to find how much. Yeah.
Ma'am, is this continued proportion?
Yes, ma'am. A is to B is one ratio given, children, 3/4. Here B is to yeah, just a minute, children. I'll come back. Hello, ma'am. Yeah. Children, here A is to B is 3:4. B is to C is 16:15. You need to find A is to C. You need to find A is to C. You need to find A is to C. Am I audible to you, children? Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So sorry, children, there is a call interrupting. Yeah. Now, how you supposed to solve this question? Very, very simple technique I will give us to listen, children. Whatever the conditions are given, you have to write 3:4 and B is to
Excuse me,
C. Lay down B is to C. Yes, Raghav?
ma'am, is the answer 1:5?
Is the answer 1:5 wrong, Raghav?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please think, don't worry for wrong. Your thinking is greatness. What you are thinking is whether it is correct or not, you will check. Yeah. Now here, children, given whatever the given, A by B is given. A by B, how much, children? 3/4. And B by C, how much given? 16/5. I want to find A by A is to C. Yes.
It is 16/15, ma'am.
Ma'am,
1:5.
కాదు నాన్న, wrong నాన్న, 1:5 కాదు నాన్న. Then just I'm multiplying these two things, children. A by B multiplied left side portion B by C, I just multiplied, equal to this right side 3/4 multiplied with 16/15. So here BB get cancelled, children. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. So this is nothing but 4 3s are 12/15. 12/15 again we can reduce, children. How we supposed to do?
Ma'am, 4:5.
4 3 4s are kada nana, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 4
Ma'am,
is
it
to
will be
5.
4, right, ma'am? 4:5.
Very, very simple technique, children. Very simple technique. Just multiply the two things so that you will get 4/5. Yes. Any doubt here, children? Any doubt in that? What I just multiplied the two ratios together to get A is to C. Yes, now I have remember only the thing B cancel, the common part is over. Or else one more simple technique I will give, children. A is to B, what is given for you? A is to B is given as 3:4. Again, B is to C is given as B is to C means again B under I'm writing here, children. 16:15. So what happened? This both should be equal, children. Why? Because here B, here B. So if it is equal means you need to raise your first fraction with what number? You need to raise with, children, you need to raise with 4 4s are 16. So you need to raise with,
Yes, ma'am, we have to simplify.
yeah, 4. So it's nothing but 3 4s are 12. 12:15 you will get because this is a common.
12:16. So 16 and 16 we can cut it off, and 12:5, and then we simplify, we'll get 4:5.
Like that also you can do that part, children. Right? Any doubt here? Not only two ratios, if they are giving more than 2 3 ratios also you can do the same method. Next, divide rupees for 46,000 2 rupees between Ritvik and Raghav. Divide. Next question. Divide rupees 46,000 2 rupees between Ritvik and Raghav. between Ritvik and Raghav. So how you supposed to divide in the ratio of 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. They're given fractional form, children. That is the clue here. That is the trick here. You need to divide between Ritvik and Raghav in the ratio 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. Simple, children. If they are giving like that, you just do cross multiplication, children. That's all. Nothing to worry here.
Ma'am, we
You
can
just-
simplify also, right, ma'am? 3 and 3.
No, just to do cross multiplication. 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. That means you have to divide in the ratio 8 is to 9. That's all. You need to divide into 8 is to 9 ratio. If any fractional form is given, you just do
Ma'am, we
cross
have to
multiplication.
add them actually, and we'll
Yeah, 8 plus 9 you have to add up. You will
17.
get as 17.
Ma'am, so Ritvik share will be 8 by 17 into 46,002, ma'am.
Wonderful. Whereas Raghav share is 9 by 17 into 46,000. Or else you have to subtract once Ritvik you got means you need to subtract one total amount also. That is also true, children. You can do in any method. Please find out, children. Please find out that. Any fractional form is given like a ratio, then you have to do cross multiplication. Now let us find the equivalent ratios to that so that what is the total shares are 17, 8 plus 9 is 17. So Ritvik share is 8 shares, whereas Raghav share is 9 shares. So total amount 17 shares. You have to divide 46,002 rupees into 17 equal parts. Then one portion should be 8 shares, another portion should be 9 shares. Like that you're supposed to divide, children.
Ma'am, can I tell Ritvik's share? Ritvik's
Yes,
share
please.
will be
Yeah, please. What is Ritvik share?
ma'am, rupees 21,648 and
Very good.
Raghav's
Very good. Very good. Very good.
is and Raghav's share will be 24,354.
Wonderful. You are taking only 1 minute time to solve. Really, I'll appreciate Raghav. Because how many students will take very less time? I'm thinking here. You are giving wonderful job. Good.
How he did, ma'am?
Yeah. See, children. Yeah, how he did. Wonderful. 8 is to 9. You just see the ratio you need to divide 8 is to how much amount I gave to both of them. I gave 46,002 rupees I gave. So total number of shares means you have to add up the ratio, children. 8 plus 9 is total shares are 17. So in this Ritvik is 8 shares, Raghav is 9 shares. 8 out of 17 into 8 out of 17 into 46,002. This is about Ritvik. And about Raghav, 9 by
19 by 17 into 4.
9 by 17 into 46,000.
Into 4,000, sorry, 46,000.
Nana, you need to simplify, Nana. If you know calculate tables quickly, you can do fast answers. Children, I won't take up because so many questions I gave new concepts. I know that you're too small mind. I'll stop today. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss in next class. Can you do few bits as a homework today, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I will find out and do it in our NCERT book.
Yeah, that is fine, children. If you have NCERT, please go through the NCERT some more than NCERT. In NCERT, very few concepts are there, but we are covered really more. Next class, we will discuss about a proportion concept. Before going to proportion, there are few more applications are there in ratio. More 1 or 2 bits are there. We'll complete those things. Then we can do the next. Yeah. Yes, please. Any doubt here, children? Rohit, Ishan, Satvika.
Ma'am, today no homework.
The homeworks always you have to go through your NCERT book or else our question bank is there ready with you to practice many questions. Please do that, children. Question bank, can I show the question bank? What part you're supposed to do? Wait a minute, I will show right now. Children, are you going to school nowadays?
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
school is
Is
starting
it
from
on?
Monday, ma'am. Ma'am, today
Oh,
for us today started
Ma'am,
ma'am.
our school started 2 weeks ago.
for our school,
Today.
yeah,
Ma'am.
today start.
Yes, ma'am, even for my school.
No offline, future, no online. Children, we again go back to school.
Yes, ma'am. I think from November 1st, only offline will be there.
Yeah, with transport also, ma'am.
Because they are telling we got all herd immunity in Indians children. So which class it is? The class 7, right? One minute, no, 1 minute. I will just show so that students also can practice the things.
Yes.
And we can find, ma'am, next class we can discuss about how to convert into percentage.
Yes, once ratios and proportions are over, when we'll go with the percentages only, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. So is it
Yeah.
confirmed that offline classes will start from November 1st?
Ma'am,
No,
actually for us now it is started, but now
Hybrid model.
from November 1st, the transport means the bus and buses and private transport will open itself.
children, because all
Ma'am, in Dubai, all, ma'am, offline, only offline is there, online is not there now.
is no online for them, all are offline.
The voice is breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No, just a minute. I'll just show that the part which end of the session. Just a minute. Just
Can practice all, ma'am. Okay.
very good, Nana. Regular practice only gives you children, because I saw many students, they're good students also, they lost their skills when come back to the school. Their handwriting is really, I'm really worrying today. Good students, they're writing very well previous. After online classes, they come back to school today. I really sad about their handwriting portion. That's why our sir is continuously encouraging students to do handwriting portion. Please do write at least a few parts. It's really good thing if you follow. It's really good thing. Yeah, I think this is children. Please go with this part. Question
Comparing
number 1
quantities,
to
ma'am.
question number 1 to 5 is your homework today, children. Question number 1 to 5. This is your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, children. And not only 1 to 5, in this 1 to 5 from that's all, children. Only 1 to 5, because once percentages are over, we will go with the more bits. 1 to 5.
Can you show that once?
Yeah. Please take a screenshot also, children, so that you can practice. Yes, children, shall we end up the session, children? Yes. Find the ratio 3 kilometers to 300. You need to convert first thing. Second one, a map is given with a scale 2 centimeters is 1000 kilometers. What actual distance of two places in kilometers? The distance in the map is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Next, 6 bowls cost is ₹90. What would be cost of 10 such a bowls? You can use unitary method, because I didn't teach proportion set. Use your unitary method.
Ma'am, proportion is easy.
Proportion is also easy, but I didn't teach. You can. It's a very
If
simple
we,
question.
ma'am, if we know this one rule, we can do, ma'am. Product of means is equal to product of exchange.
Very, very good, very good. Proportion, tomorrow I will complete the proportion concept also. And because today I want to teach these ratios, there are few more applications because sixth class anyway, you know about how to simplify, how to compare the things. But only the thing,
Can you show the
what
first
will questions you will get in the examination, we are doing that part today. That's
Ma'am,
all.
can you show the first question?
First question, where it is 1 minute. You have in your Google Classroom, ma'am. Please go through your Google Classroom. Everything is available.
Ma'am, my Google Classroom is giving a trouble, ma'am. That's why I'll take a
Okay,
screenshot.
okay.
Okay,
I will.
ma'am.
Okay. Children, you can leave. Children, once completed, you
ma'am.
can. Yeah. Please don't waste your
Thanks,
time.
ma'am.
Please.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, children. Bye. Have a good day to you all. Sleep well. Don't worry about your school. Be happy and go to your school, children, with brave and precautions.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Have
you,
a
ma'am.
nice
Bye,
day.
ma'am. Have a nice
Yeah, don't be scared. What happened? Nothing will happen, children. I'm continuously going more than 15 days regularly to school, but you are two small kids. That's my worry. You need to take care, little
Bye,
care
ma'am.
on
Have
your
a great day.
right. Thank you, Ishan.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show that once? I'll take a screenshot.
Wait. 1 minute. This is the chapter. 1 minute after this chapter. Even I should post today in my class also some worksheets. Forget about that part. Yes, Nana. Here it is. Ritvik, are you there? Yeah, please. Do. Or else, can I show complete page? Please try it. At least 10 bits you try. There. Okay, children. Can we end up the session, today's session? Did you take a screenshot?
Yeah.
Bye, Nana Ritvik. Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Yes, Ahana Shivapranav. Are you there, children, still? Yeah. Ahana, are you going to school nowadays?
Ma'am, she's not there.
Ma'am, she left, ma'am.
Okay, right, children. Shivapranav is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, any doubt in today's class, Anna?
No, ma'am.
Okay. That only when how we supposed to do, how to do cross multiplication. Please once again practice the sums, children. Really important questions I gave. But beyond from your level, the questions, if you practice, it's easy. Is it easy or difficult today's problems, Ritvik?
Ma'am, easy.
Ma'am, it is easy, ma'am.
Okay, right, children, right. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Pranav.